Hello everybody, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will go over how to add dates to course activities or topics. To add a date to a course activity or topic, click on the drop-down arrow to the right of the topic that you want to add a date to. Then click on Edit Properties in Place from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Add Dates and Restrictions. To add a start date, click on Add Start Date. Then click on the date to change the date, time to change the time, and click on Add Due Date to add a due date, Add End Date to add an end date. And then once you've done adding your dates, click on Update. To edit or remove dates from a topic, simply click on the date, then click on the date that you want to edit or remove, and either click on the date or the time to change it, or click on the X to get rid of it. Then click on Update again. Keep in mind that students will only be able to access the topic during the start date and end date. The due date is just for their notifications. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.